Hello everyone, this is Tech Stack. Tonight we are going to probably do a playtest, but before we do that, I just kind of wanted to show off the Longbow, because I was able to get that working. So by getting it working, it was mean two different things. One, he does shoot. Two, he shoots a little further. And three, we now have an item to go with it, right? So a texture and all that. Hey, Fusion. There it goes, no shot. So that's the longbow, and this is the regular bow. You can see what the size difference is. I tried fast shooting with this, and it works. Hey, Garby. Fusion, if you're interested, we're going to do a playtest, probably. The other guys created another version of one of his maps. Try that one. But here is the Longbowman. You can see he might be a bit hard to tell the difference in compared to the other guy, so we might need to mix up his texture or something so that we can tell. Gotcha. It might take a little bit before the other guy sends the map anyway. I'm kind of waiting on him. Let's see, so this archer minion, regular archer guy versus longbowman. You can tell there's a difference in their bows, but from a distance you're not gonna tell enough, I don't think. Yeah, the bow itself is bigger and also different shades of colors. I think the troops themselves need to look different though to really do it well. Like their texture needs to be different somehow. What? I don't know, because we'd have to do it for all 4 teams. And if you throw them on the ground, you can see the difference there too. See, this one's much lighter in its shading. This one's very dark. I thought about making them like a blue color or something, but then it's gonna look like the blue team's item, and I don't want to do 4 different ones, one for each team, so I don't know. Maybe I need to put a hat on these guys, maybe they need to wear armor. I don't know. Put them in leather armor. Dyed leather armor, there we go. Maybe add like, I can't think. One sec, okay. And they both behave the same way, so if we put them on lockdown mode here, and then get a cow out, and spawn the cow pretty far away actually, but then tell them to attack it, they both try and shoot at it, right? And see how much further the longbow's shot goes? It's really reaching out there compared to the other one. And part of the key to doing that was to... Well, quiver's not a bad idea. I have to, like, do a texture for it and everything, though. They're both missing. One's high, one's low. That's funny. The arrow is actually traveling slightly faster for the longbowman as well. That's why he's got a little bit of a further range. Oh no, man. Can you bind block match models to a character? Let me think that through. So I created a a mob, the sapper mob, right? And that sapper mob has the creeper thing in his hand, and that's an item. So if I made it an item, I could do it like I do him, and just render it on the character. Put it on their back slot or something. But even then, like, if it's a quiver and we put it on their back, unless it's like sticking over his shoulder, you're not gonna see it from the front. And that's why the sapper has his... What am I doing? Am I not on the channel? That's why the sapper has his creeper in the front. If I summon a sapper, I probably don't have a command for the sapper. Yeah, something in their offhand may not be a bad idea, but what? I still think a different texture is probably the way to go. Give it more variety then. It's just I have to come up with 4 of them in the right theme. What? Oh yeah, they can't hurt each other. Let's do a test on their health here. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so there's the archer. Let me do punches then with an empty hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11 killed him. Let's get the Longbowman out then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah. So they got 5 more health basically. So the reason we're not going to play with these guys tonight is I don't have them set up where you can research them or spawn them in or anything. It's just not going to happen tonight. So you can get the archers, Longbowman would be off of that, and then off of that there's going to be crossbowmen, more than likely. Not sure how the crossbowmen are going to work, because I think if you spawn a raider, summon... Where is it? Ravager? No, not that thing. What are they called? No, it's not the Invoker. It's not the Illusioner. It's the patrol guys. What are they? Vindicators, maybe. Nope. Okay, maybe it is the Invoker or something, and I thought that was the guy that we just got. Well, apparently not. Oh no, that's that guy. The heck? That's an Illusioner then. What? I've never seen that guy in Minecraft. Voluntary exile. Well, he's definitely part of a raid. Like when a patrol spawns, right? It's got some mob that was new in like 1.14 or something. Or 1.13. Can't know what it is. Mule painting, ocelot, parrot, phantom, pig, pillager. There we go. Oops. Oh, that again. Yeah, him. So he's got a crossbow, but his AI is dumb about it. He's like, here, let's go in survival, right? I suppose that thing's gonna like wreck me now. The Ravager. So he like comes up to you, then draws his bow. That's so backwards in my opinion. He should have that thing ready to go. Like he should draw it, then run up to you to get in range, right? So when I do it, that's how my crossbow is gonna work. He's gonna draw the thing and always have it ready. Now the problem is gonna be probably setting up the animations for it, right? Because you have to show that he's drawing the bow and all that, or charging the bow. Okay, other guy says he's sending the map, so let's go ahead and get out of this world. And we've got my other one going here. Get this up so I can connect to the server. Put the map on there. Okay. And then my local file system, I need to put it somewhere. Use this window. Temp RTS. I've been giving lots of thought about what I should do with our mod and everything lately, and I don't know. We'll see. That's an active map. We want maps. There we go. Want to be too big for his Discord sending or something. Hey, Fusion.
Hey, my mic actually works.
Yeah.
Woohoo.
Worked last time.
What'd you say?
It worked last time you were here.
No, I just moved in to a new room yesterday.
Oh, okay.
So I've been having troubles with my phantom power supply. My mic would not work.
Huh.
Yeah, one of the terminals got disconnected, so I just have to resolder it.
I am not that skilled with the soldering iron.
It's not hard. It's simple.
I've tried before and not had much success. I would probably break whatever I was trying to fix.
Well, don't get me wrong. I do that too. It's just the thing I was doing was a single prong, and I had probably about an inch of space, so I just stick my soldering iron in there. And use
okay.
power.
So it's not.
It wasn't like a circuit board.
Yeah. Not PCB. Yeah.
Should I download the latest build?
104. Yep.
Okay.
That's probably what we played the other night, to be honest.
Let me double check.
The other day I was doing some research and trying to decide if processors in like an Amazon EC2 server would be faster than what I have in RTSCraft. And I'm not sure it would.
I have no clue what you're talking about. I know AWS kind of,
Yeah.
but that's all I know.
Yeah, so Amazon Web Services is where you can basically rent servers. Right?
So it's like Microsoft Azure.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I got the mod, and yeah, it was the same one. Okay.
Hey Zach, we're getting ready to play the game here in a bit. As soon as the other guy sends me the new map, that's probably what we'll try. In fact, that was probably the message right there. Yes, it is. Hello.
Other guy.
Let me get this downloaded. Somehow. There we go. Maybe.
Why are you getting that download? I'm gonna get a drink.
Okay. .2. Let's see, what all do we need for this? We need the region file, the map PNG. Oh, you don't have that. That's fine. Description, level, session. That should be enough. Yeah, it's just got a different name. It's fine. It just the bot won't work, so we don't really need the bot for testing this. No, it's fine. I will open it up though, just so we can see what the thing looks like. What's that? Okay. Diamonds. Is this still 2 areas to try and defend? We'll have to push forward further or whatever, like we talked about. Gordon will drop nothing unless the killer has scores that correlates to the team. Oh, it has changed? Okay. Let me restart the server then. So it picks up the map. Ah, okay.
Alright, sorry about that.
New walls and bridges, okay. There we go. Gordon the Destroyer is staring me in the face as soon as I log in. Spectate. Oh, so you have to go out to the center here for. I gotcha. You got to deal or sneak past Gordon, basically. Yeah, I like that. It kind of makes probably so like we'll want to put our stuff out further. Gotcha. They look pretty wide in a straight shot, so it should be pretty easy to command your troops through them.
Oh, I think Zach started lagging. Did him last time that was lagging?
Yeah, he was having problems with it last time. You float over one of the walls, you see my command box. What? Oh. Give at P Gordon's egg. Give sharp. 1,000 sharpness. This one repeated boy. Stores go on management. 3 shards golden. Zach, you gotta send me your log, man. I want to see what the problem is that you're getting on your side. See if it's the mod, like, sending too much packets to you or something, or what? Because the server, like, here. This is what the server says. You floated too long. Just one message after another. And then it kicks you for flying. Purple block repeatedly checks out Gordo's HP and updates his boss bar. Oh, okay.
I like the resource nodes on here. There's a lot of them.
Yeah, we played this one other time.
I wasn't there for it, I don't think.
Yeah, probably not. The wood, the way it's laid out, it's all close together, which is cool, but it doesn't mean that you can get that many on it, actually.
But there's lots of nodes.
Yes, there's lots of them
spread around.
Yep. And they were... The iron node's still pretty big, but most of the nodes were like double the size of what they are on here now. We had tons of resources in the short game.
Can you turn off weather out of curiosity?
Yes.
Yay, it's daylight again.
Weather cycle false. Okay, so... Oh, brother played Roblox. I'm gonna TP Zach to me. Now you're not on the ground, at least. Or you're on the ground, at least, but it still says you're floating. What the heck?
Oh, he's gone.
Yeah, kicked him again. Hey, it doesn't say you're floating. This might work. Don't jump, dude.
No talent to these.
My sounds might still be messed up. There. So it's been kicking you according to the server because of flying is the only reason, right? So if we can keep you on the ground, even if you lag, it shouldn't kick you for that at least. But okay, that explains it.
Wait, wait, Roblox shouldn't be that.
Depends on its interconnection though too. I have not done the math. I am not sure how much network bandwidth the mod takes. Let's put it that way.
What game is he playing? How many assets does he have to download?
Other guy, you gonna join us? Oh wait, you just... Oh, I see your message now. Crashing the launcher. Ouch.
It goes down, but it's not just Roblox. There's a few things there. Oh, there's other guy.
Cool.
I'm making it through the woods.
So if we kill Gordon, we get what? Or is it not gonna work because the command blocks are not enabled? Nothing. But we get access to the diamonds that are here. Mainly do what? Oh, do we just set the team? Huh? Do we all need a team score now? In all the units to have a score. Oh. Yeah. So whatever deals the killing blow has to be on have a score. You can't just look at the team, that's ridiculous.
Oh, someone doing. Oh,
Hey, Gazer.
Good day.
Yes, but you don't have the power to do that, sir. On the server. Are you joining, Gazer?
Joining what?
We're doing a
That
playtest.
kinda means you.
Why is everything so quiet? I cannot hear Gazer. I'm turning you up. It's fine.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Hello.
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 We're about.
Okay, this is my normal mic, so.
Okay. All is well. I can
Oh
hear you.
Why can you make
I
the
can.
mountain so hard to scale?
You can or can't?
I can, but just go without me, because I wasn't planning on it.
Okay. Other guy. Pick a green team. Or whatever team you want.
Maybe the next game.
Okay.
I made it on top of a hill. You know. Now I need to scale some trees.
Go, 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 go. Ready up. Get on a team.
Oh, am I ready up? Oh no, wait. Oh, because I did this. Ah, idiot.
Oh, it's just me now. Yay! Good luck, Captain. I don't see an HP bar for him. You click start, and my wife finally decides to send me a message. I'm confused too, because your player data shouldn't have transferred over because I didn't copy all that extra folders. Okay.
How do I get down from here without killing myself?
No idea where you went, so...
Nowhere.
Other guy did the map.
That looks like less than 22 blocks. I could probably survive it.
Where'd you go?
There we go.
Were you climbing when we started the map?
Yeah, I was on the very top of scaling because I thought it'd take a little while.
Oh, sorry.
I didn't. It's fine. I'm just trying to think of a good place. I hope nobody else took this land. I'm stealing it. Ah.
He's so international, though.
There you go.
It's fine. Just plant some farms. You'll be fine. Yeah, it's his map, so he gets the blame. Kind of confused right at the moment myself. Where are the things? Everywhere I look is trees. Okay, that way. Gazer's not here, so it's not like we're gonna have super rushers on here.
Oh. Well, I see somebody else found my area.
Uh-oh.
So, who is that?
Hopefully you're
I think
not
it's Zach.
talking about me, because I just went in an area, didn't check to see if somebody was already there.
Well, I also just came out of the mountains probably 3 minutes after the game started.
Exactly.
Who's
No one
this?
would have known.
I think this is Zach.
What color are the buildings?
Yeah, it's Zach.
Egyptian looking.
It's Zach because it has yellow lightning bolts for flags.
Do what now, Zach?
Hey, there's Zach.
Alright, missed. I'll have to look back chat. So if I make a map and you validate, it would be on the server. If you want it to be on the server, we can put it on the server. It's
I was already at health half. Yeah. English.
it's about us having it set up right though, so that you've got all the resource nodes and all that stuff. I would prefer ones without command blocks where possible, because they'll just add extra lag. And we're trying to primarily with the server.
Well, like one command, like it's just a single one without repeating, it should be fine, right?
Right, but I'm trying to test the game that I'm building.
Got a new lag. Yeah. Like if it isn't repeating and it's only a one-time command for the game, it really shouldn't affect it.
There's diamonds. As I don't have enough things to build the diamond mines now. Cool.
What have you added recently then, Tech?
I'll be right back.
I can't remember if you've seen Sappers. That was what's in
Sappers.
what we're playing with. Started work on Longbowman then, but they're not spawnable without commands yet.
Got it. Guess I'll be at the archery range. So.
Yeah.
So, that's cool.
Alright, I got the fire alarm turned off.
Overclocking your computer too much.
No. Well, maybe. I don't know what caused it to set off, but nothing was on fire I could smell. I think it was just batteries.
Just an occasional cheap coming out of it.
Eh.
I mean, if it was full blown beep 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 beep, that's not batteries.
No. It was like a beep every 2 seconds. Or 5 seconds, I guess. I know what a fire sounds like, okay? There's usually some sort of smoke, and then there's some sort of flame, and then that's when you get out of the house. You don't need a fire alarm for that.
No, but you do know some fire alarms are carbon monoxide detectors too, that you can't see or smell.
Yeah, well, the one in my room should be going off by now, then. I know that one works.
What'd you say, Gazer?
I was gonna ask where you found this guy, but never mind.
Listen, I came out of the blue. Okay?
Whoa, those mine placements, ouch. That's gonna hurt. I did bad. I did very bad. More wood, please, sir.
I just covered up all bodies. I feel like every other game we play on RTSCraft, I have to kill my own stuff. Okay, I'm sharing this area. No, bad Zach.
Oh, you
Okay,
didn't go
fine,
find your own area. You just set up in his, huh?
Okay, listen, I just came out of the mountains and expected my area to be clean.
Wow. Well, we know who's gonna draw first blood with each other.
Zach's already trying to attack me. Oh, great, barracks, great. Great, just what I wanted, just what I wanted. Go ahead. Lead a campaign against the blue team.
You are blue.
I know. I'm talking to Zach. That's what he's doing.
Does the one corner, the gold is so far over there from everything else. So Zach, he was hiding in the mountainside when we started the game and just came straight down and started playing, and apparently you went his way. So he was
Actually,
already
I
outside
went
the
his
center.
way.
Oh, okay. However it went down.
I was there first, but I was hidden. So I'll take the blame for the first one.
He's being a ninja. A mountain ninja.
Why does that sound like a horrible comic?
I mean, he's in your area. I wouldn't say on your team. That's between you
We
two.
can
if
have
you
a
wanna...
mutual relationship. Stop killing my lumber yards, Mister. I already have barracks set up.
Oh, the unintentional intel I'm getting. Love it.
Oh no, I know exactly what I'm doing.
Maybe. What's the command?
Effect that E levitation 1/1000.
Boss bar
Hey,
removed.
hey. You can deport me, but you can't silence me.
Oh. Whatever the command is. Remove custom boss bar from Gordon the Destroyer. No problem.
Would you stop wiping out my lumber yards? Listen, I'm not attacking you yet.
Was it over top of the boss? That's awful. That's why I was like, it's gonna cause unexpected things when we start trying to really customize a map beyond just having terrain and resources. Like covering up resources. I didn't know.
Oh, okay, no. You're messing with my mind sites now. I gotta get you. I'm just trying to make a living and you're ruining it.
Hey Tech, have you tested being able to get round over there?
Get what over
I guess
there?
you're gonna be doing that now.
Huh? Like getting troops across, you mean?
I don't know. Influence.
I don't know if I can build over here.
Might be able to make it.
Eventually.
Alright.
Dervos, I will probably come back to it at some point, but I'm having a lot of fun doing this mod right now. So,
Oh, the machinery mod?
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no.
That was a really fun mod. I liked it.
Yep. So I'm also considering, do we stay on 114 for this mod? Or do we update it to 115 because Forge is...
How
gone
hard
to
is it to actually update mods to different versions?
It
I have no clue. I know texture packs.
depends on what they've changed.
Well, I know the next update, I think it's 1.16, they're going to be redoing combat again.
Yeah.
And that's probably going to screw over a lot of mods. Alright, get out. Get out. Where are you? You're getting to my farms now. That's way too close to my town hall.
Dervos, were you thinking updating the mod, or were you thinking additional machines in it? What were you asking for?
Can I have my lumber back? You're talking already.
Gotcha. Kind of also need my 3D modeler to be interested in working on it. It's not just me. As far as adding new machines is concerned. Yeah, Blue Boy. And he was for a while. He was updating some of the models and then to make them look even better.
Whoa! When is this Blitzkrieg?
Who are you talking to?
Zach!
Oh, yeah.
He just took over all my stuff. And I have no lumber production anymore.
So, Dervos, have you made it to the point where you've... Oh, wait. I didn't release that yet. So, there's a... The last thing I worked on the mod before I turned on this mod was an experience collector. So you can harvest XP, basically. Stored in this block. Oh, okay, that's why I can't do it. Awesome. Really? Diamonds are limiting for you? Already?
Wood is a limiter for me right now.
You mean you have 3 diamonds or 3 diamond mines? Because I was able to get a decent number of mines. I'm gonna go with mines.
Tell your brother to go back on Roblox, Zach.
Did you like it better when he was lagging?
Yes!
Oops, actually killed my own guy.
All my stuff. No. Get away.
Tried to suffocate my guys, didn't you? It doesn't work no more, ha!
Whoa! Oh, they're attacking my town hall. Great.
Something tells me we may not be playing on this map very long. I think we're going to kill each other pretty quick.
It's not the map creator's fault. It's
No. That's not what I meant at all. I meant,
Yeah.
like, this is going to be a short game because I think
Oh, yeah.
we're all attacking each other already.
Would you get away from here? Why is there so many of your minions over here? Stay on your side. No. Bad minions. Bad. Ow. I have 0. Then someone wiped out all resource production. Alright, GG. Oh, I have no idea too, yeah. No clue. No, you don't use that retreat scepter on me, come on. No. I'm gonna have to hit them all individually, aren't I?
How many barracks did you put down, man?
You know I spawned there, right?
It's funny looking at your resources.
Yeah. I'm not playing this optimally, am I?
Down.
What the heck? Are these guys spawning from the farm? Where'd they come from?
Get away from my town hall. Get. Would you tell all 65 of your men to stop targeting Town Hall?
Come on, boy. There you go. Awesome. Uh-oh. GG.
So how did you end up? Oh, okay. So what? You wiped out all my resources, then placed down the barracks. Okay.
Oh, come on. No, no.
So what have you guys been up to?
This could be an interesting map with area of effect. Or area of influence, because I don't think you can get across from one area to another.
I think I know a way that you could.
I'm gonna try and find out in a minute, but I'm not sure it's possible. I'm out of range right now.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say, other guy.
Right.
What do you mean you're going?
But like, I need your buildings out of the way to even do that.
The center.
I can't put him in the center. He's got a barrier blocked or something up above. So it's not enough height for the building. And I can't put farms in there because they need grass. Farms are short, but it's the wrong block for them. Yeah, makes sense.
I think I see what you're doing.
Walls maybe to get closer to from one side to the other. Who knows?
Yeah, good point. Also can do that. Part of my problem is I can't fit more barracks in my own area.
Oh, you just placed a farm down in a great barracks location.
Yeah, I know. I needed that to span over to the other barracks, though. The trees are in the way. Why 30 seconds? Who made it this way?
Oh my. Look at all those resources, man.
I know. I can't fit it here either. Rip. Horrible
Just
placement.
accept defeat now.
Everything. Basically.
Oh my.
At least I'm giving you a good laugh. This is gonna get all screwed up, I can just feel it. The guys are gonna come out and go like over here or something stupid. Dang it, they are. Just turn it off, it's useless. Oh, you got these ones. No. Don't worry, I'm too busy screwing up over here to do anything. Okay, so that's yellow, that's green. What if I played horribly? Check. Bees? There we go.
You know the one quote from, I think it's Avengers. They have an army, but someone has a Hulk. Yeah, I feel like that describes this game.
Okay.
I'm not saying who has the Hulk. I'm pretty sure I know who has the Hulk.
Scoreboard. Objectives. Set display. Loot. You want on sidebar? Loot. Doors. Unknown objective.
So why didn't the scoreboards and stuff stay over? Transfer over?
No idea. It's very possible it's in a different file for Minecraft or something.
Oop.
Surprise! Zach's doing Zach things.
That's funny.
Come on, boys. Come this way. Yes, this way. Straight over to Zach. Make sure you bring the gang guys with you.
This is hilarious. I'm waiting for the next. Oh. Yeah. None of you are faring too well, are you? Well, one of you is.
Oh my gosh. My troops are so far, like, spread. Like,
How
crappy.
long have you had those in your inventory, Tech?
Too long, probably.
This is so funny. I need to stop watching because I'm supposed to be doing stuff.
Oh, it's good. You reminded me, so, you know.
So I changed it all around to files instead of HTTP sending for the train thing.
Yeah.
And it all works.
Cool.
Well, I tested it for a bit and it all works.
Well,
Tested it with 24 individual trains opening and closing their own files, so didn't lag out my computer yet.
Yet.
Why is there random bricks into the ground? Let's see.
There, Gazer, is that better?
Did you guys, hold on, what did you guys use for wood in it? Don't just use // It's not hard. Or //CYL. you'll make the same effect happen. Now for terraforming, yeah, I can understand with the big weird things in that. But if you're doing a circular map or a square map, just use the fill or rectangle commands. Then you don't have to worry about random things spawning in the ground. Wait, can I still?
What are you stuck on, dude? How many's there? Had some troops stuck in the corner, they wouldn't go away. No, I think there was a bit of lag there. I tried hitting something and it wouldn't work. No. Trees are so hard to place around. The leaves up above and stuff, you can't tell which one it is that's making it not work. Oh, he left. Dang it. Space is a premium in this. Okay. Gotta get the right boys, man.
Run, Zach, run!
Oh, that could be so OP. Yeah, I had a couple that were getting stuck on a wall too.
So does that still cause lag or not much?
It shouldn't, but we've seen one case where it did, so I won't say for sure one way or another.
Oh. Oh. I didn't notice you were building that. Good job.
That probably didn't pick up either one of those because I think I shifted. That was brilliant on my part.
Are you guys just feeding minions to Gordon now?
I'm not, unless Zach's pulling my minions over, which would not surprise me.
Well, no, what's his face? The other guy is. He's just forcing them to go towards Gordon.
Great.
So it doesn't. It's population control. The server has its own population control.
Hacks. Dirty hacks. I can't see his health.
Oh, I never did think about getting... Is that advanced combat? Wait, no. There's a mod that tells you, and I can't remember.
Oh!
Damage indicator.
That wasn't just one. I thought that was one guy, not 500 of them. Because they were all stacked on top of each other. That's so bad. Okay then. That was completely unintended. Oh no, I see horses.
Oh, he's finally doing that.
You know what, let's do this instead. They don't seem to have any problems going down these narrow paths. Somehow there's a fence missing on this side. Oh yeah, that's how I'm gonna win. Oh, watchtower next to your gate. Oh. And another one. What? I can't get out of this stupid...
Oh, that's what I did wrong.
Yes! There was room. There was just enough area for me to get it in. From the stuff I had on the other side of the wall. No, it was my tower. I put a tower in your area.
Well, that's awfully rude.
You're welcome. There we go, boys. Perfect. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. The power play is happening. The other guy's your bigger threat, man. Trust me. I've been trying to kill him this whole game. And Zach left in the middle of the attack he's doing against my troops. Whew. Oh, he's back. How many of these towers do you put up, man? Let's see here. Mistakes, mistakes, mistakes. Big mistakes. Dang it. Yep. Okay. Nice. No, you can't retaliate now.
I bet you this is.
Oh man. Yeah, you're gonna need it against Zach. I have a feeling. Zach wiped out all my barracks and I didn't pay attention. Yeah, he's still up there. He's probably back to full health by now, right? Can't build up here again. That's what I'm saying. I'm messing with teams myself, so that's why I didn't want to start doing commands around teams and then crash the whole game. I do not know how it's going to behave when there's a scoreboard actually on these things. Yeah. Oh, I thought when you said that you're doing balloons TD, I thought you meant at your front line, not behind your trees. I didn't understand. It's towers on towers back here. Okay. It's one of those matches, huh? Well, up here on the front lines, it's horses on horses, apparently. Horses versus players are not very good. I used to think they were super strong because they can run as fast as a player could run, but you just gotta strafe backwards and whack them. They stay right in your sword range. I guess if you let them hit you a couple times, you're toast, though. Oh, what? Oh. Well, who can I attack? Okay. You keep lagging out or something? It says I've got guys, but where are they? Gotcha. It says you're connected right now, Zach. Oh boy, mistakes were made. Very bad. Tower destroyed, what? Who's destroying my towers? Oh no. Rollbacks. It's never... Okay, you just now left though, man. It didn't know that you left. Man. Guerrilla warfare.
Because that's what you want to hear. Just hear the guy from across the room. Oh man, real warfare again.
Both of you guys could so stomp on me if you just left your base and went for me. I have nothing back home. Oh, no, 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 oh no! Put my sword in a different slot. I got some at my door, I'll be back, guys. Hello, I'm back. Well, I'm not sure what to do about this. Guess I can try and work my way back up to the front line again. That's where my troops are, okay. Really? Getting things connected in this to the front line is very hard. Okay, so we can put one. Sit there. Oop, bingo. Know where it fits. Nowhere at all. Dang. Okay. Yeah, that is what it is then. The walls check different. Gates. Can't put it over water. Why is this not spitting out troops? Oh. Right.
Oh, Zach is still in the game. Okay. Oh, wait. Was he actually wiped out?
No, no.
Oh. He's lagging, I think. He's stuck in the air. At least I'm trying to teleport to the spectator. Yep.
Yeah. What the heck was that?
Huh?
Some body just fell on me and it was dying.
Could you enable flying on the server? That help?
I could, but I have to restart the server to do it.
Oh, it's in properties. Okay.
Yeah, it's in the server properties.
Next time we change maps, you should definitely. I think it would help out Zach a lot with his flying.
It's stopping from disconnecting at least. It may not stop its lag, but... No, no, guys, over here. I don't know why you're getting aggro at him again. Stop it. Okay, fine. Go to your death. I don't care.
Nah, there's a way somewhere. Okay, you actually built a whole wall through the thing. Yeah. Okay, well, you did, didn't you? Huh. Okay, I figured out a way. If you have enough time on your hands, just climb up over the trees. Cause right here it touches the ground. Just go on this block. Break that block. Fill up
How'd you
this
get in
block,
there? Oh, there's a hole back there.
block, block.
Are your watchtowers ranging me from here? Oh, they are! That's hilarious. Like, they can get me if I go up against the fence. Yeah, Zach is repeatedly dying as he joins, like, in my area. He just comes on and is a poof of smoke from falling over.
Poor Gordon, he never had a chance. Oh, you freed him!
This...
Someone broke the rope.
Zach, the server is in the United States. If you're in Europe, that could be some of the issue. IO exception. He hits.
So what was that about this being a quick game?
Yeah, well, you know.
It was a quick game for me.
Some of us were out pretty quick, exactly. What happens if I lease one of my minions? Oh, it doesn't do it. Okay.
He's live. Let's see if I can pull off watching 2 live streams.
Come on, Gordon, die. I want you out of here. Oh, really? Oh, boy. No, you dirty, dirty man. I know what you did. Oh, that's where my archers are. They were stuck. I know what you did. Oh, the archers killed him just in time. Yes. Go, my minions. Can't click respawn. It's probably because you get kicked while you were in the death screen. Really? It's showing you connecting for a long time on our side.
Wait, did you break through the channel to get the troops through the wall?
Yeah, I think he broke some blocks.
Yeah, whatever, it's his map.
Just keep him away from the hole. One swipe gets like 5 of them knocked back.
There's like 40 of the other guy minions stuck in a here.
No, guys, don't go in the water. What are you doing?
Oh, who'd you like?
Hey, Reaper.
Oh, okay, I see you.
I'm eating chicken.
Well, if I can catch that Zach's on when he's on.
It's grilled chicken.
Just kill the walls, man. You can kill your own. Yeah, they do. If you've got the sapper research, takes 4 of them. So the minions can jump in water, obviously, as you can see, but they can't jump out of water without having a block underneath the water block they're in. They're just like any other vanilla mob. in that regard. Well, I've never done it, but I fully intend to not let people break blocks. I've never done it in case we ran into a problem. So getting in there shouldn't be an issue once we're done with the mod, if that ever happens. Ah.
That's awfully rude. Listen, I can't climb mountains that easily. I can't break grass.
Okay, my boys, if I break through there, it's not going to be good for me. Like, what's the point, right? And if I go for Zach, Zach's going to have like 600 little boys here for me to deal with. Because he's been spawning them this whole time. Yep. I think this might be a draw in general.
I mean, Zach's not even a commander anymore. He's just...
Right. These guys are on their own. So the first version of this felt too open. This kind of feels constricted, but I don't know that that's bad. And I'm actually having pathing problems because of the wall I put. I shouldn't have put it here. My guys keep getting on the thing. Oh,
while you guys are doing that, I want to see how well my transferred it.
or just open it up so they can path around it easier. But make the wall like 6'10" wide or something, you know. Okay, Saxon. TP Zach to me. Now you should at least be on the ground, man. Oh, that's scary. I can't see Zach, but apparently my watchtower can see Zach because it's shooting at him.
Oh, I couldn't see him when I was spectating.
Really?
I'm telling you, it's fly hacks. They make him invisible.
Yeah. Something.
Oh, I'll be right back.
Zach, I teleported you to the ground so you wouldn't be kicked for flying, too. Yeah. Oh, it's kicking. Oh. GG. If you've really got a significant number of those guys, it's game, because I have not been researching. Like I should have been the entire time. We have guys underwater fighting? Look at this. They were down there fighting. It's like they're the drowns fighting each other or something. Somebody's gonna have to come kill me. I can only play for so much longer. There it is. That's the hordes I knew that were coming. Just running by everything on top of that. Yes, retreat them. Retreat them more. These sappers. Sappers with the trick. Sappers can break a wall with 4 of them exploding, but like not all at the same time. And each block of a town hall they will take out with 1 hit. GG. You could have done this a long time ago, I think. I had all my stuff out there on the edge. Like, there was nothing to defend back home. Oh, okay. Now I get to look and see what everybody had. So how much damage did my boys do to your town hall when I got them back there? Did they actually take out blocks? Ah, okay. You had barracks in the back, yeah. I went through the farm, or through the trees to get to do it. Because you didn't have anything sitting in the trees to stop me. Yeah, I was able to weave my way through most of them though. I like went in between your lumber yards and over a farm. So there's really only like 1 or 2 that could have shot at my guys. If I would have went the hard way through, yeah, they would have been awful. Right. Right, exactly. Like they stopped them from completely marching through your entire base, basically. It's like other RTSs, right? So if you played Age of Empires, somebody pops down a watchtower, you can walk around it and buy it. To be honest, I'm really considering just making a super flat with the resource nodes scattered around and no walls built into it, so that you have to build your own walls. Like I think they're primarily stone, aren't they? Yeah, they're mostly stone, a little bit of gold. And then just make like a ton of stone available on the map or something.
It'd be very hard to see where you're being attacked from. You have walls around your entire city.
Yes. Agree.
They could attack from any point. You'd actually want to get up on the walls and have a check.
Yep. Or in a watchtower. Like you can go up on those because you can see over walls from all directions then real easy. Look at the puffs of smoke. From all of the deaths. Wow. They just mopped up. And it was just that leading edge of them. I mean, you basically have the most advanced guy in the game right now, so he's doing what is his job, the diamond level. He's wearing an entire suit of diamonds, so. Considering making the Longbowman have some level of armor on him, just so that he has a little bit of protection. This map has the weird things underground, too. Cool. Watch the battle from underground.
Oh, my friends need some help. I'm gonna have to head off tonight.
Okay. That man. Anti-damage. Yeah. There's gonna be all sorts of units in this if I can keep at it. like I want. Like, what I mean is, I need textures and things like that that I'm not the best at to be able to do everything I want to do. His town hall would look a lot like one of the stables, I believe. Wait a minute, where is it? No way, was it?
Oh my goodness, Tech.
What?
You passed it so easily.
Did I? I thought it was the stables.
Yeah. On the right, on the right.
Okay, yeah. I told you it looked like a stables. When I seen that one, I'm like, oh, that's a stables over here, too.
It's just a taller stables.
You don't need TP. You're good. It doesn't matter at this point. You've got enough boys over here that are gonna mop up. It'll be game before you even get over here. Yeah, I agree, Zach. The lag really hampers you. GG. Huh, he won on his own map. Wonder why. The town hall, that building must be off. I need to fix that bug.
Yeah, maybe I've hidden a lever on my maps. I just flip it and all my resources just pop up.
You flip a button, the command block runs, and it's like your whole field's diamonds. Okay, as soon as it restarts, it'll reload a fresh map, and we'll have a Gordon in there that we can mess with. If you want to try the commands or whatever. And I'm gonna try this, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna crash. Game stats. Yeah, something went wrong. Okay. They might help. We'll see if I put how much armor I put on them. I think the diamond guys are going to be a bit much for even them. Maybe iron would be a good matchup against them. But like, so Longbowman I'm working on. Crossbowman I think would be another good one to have in the game. Some type of mounted unit that has a bow could be cool. So he's like a fast archer, right? Probably wouldn't have a ton of health or armor, but just has a bow, right? And runs around. What else would there be? I might eventually end up doing somebody that's magical in some way that can heal units. Server's up. And you're in the air again, Zach. I don't get this, man. You're always in the air. Why? Fly hacks. Stop fly hacking. It's kicked you again. So the magical guy is so like a support role kind of thing. That could be really powerful. Battering rams to take down buildings and walls and stuff. Trebuchets for taking them down at a distance. I'm sure there's other things I just can't think of. Maybe a paladin. Like a half magical, half armor tank guy. And then there's the ability to start creating researches that are upgrade techs, right? So let's say it's a fletching tech that, yeah, continue to ground, sorry. Not me, you, Zach, to me. Okay, as soon as you reconnect, it can. So like a magical, or not a magical, fletching that makes everything that shoots an arrow have like enchantments, right? That make it so they. He's in the air too. What the heck? Oops. I did it totally wrong. I'm sorry. I was trying to TP the other guy to me, and I got you by mistake. I sent him to you. Okay, there we go. The other guy. Oh, he's not on the server. He still left the game. What the heck? So anyway, my point is, like, if they had upgrades, so, and like maybe protection on armor, right? Or maybe it's not protection, maybe it's projectile protection, if that's what you want to go for. So that you can have different upgrades. Because that's something that's in Age of Empires too, right? So they'll have whatever it's called. I don't know. Weave or something like that it's called. There, now you're on the ground at least. I wonder if like spawn is up a little bit. No, I'm not playing again. I thought you wanted to do stuff with Gordon. So what commands need ran? And Zach, did you know the back of your character's just got yellow sleeves that are like half hanging out? Oh no, man. I just randomly met you on the internet.
Hi, you talking about me?
Yep.
Oh. It happens.
It's my server, man. That's what it is. It's not just the map. Scoreboard, objectives, add. And you said it was loot. Scores. No. Doesn't like it. Oh, criteria. So is it a dummy? And then I'll call it loot scores. Loot scores dummy. Created the objectives, and then what you're saying, what about the blue, green, red stuff? And you're gone. Oh, that's cool. I just realized it's raining, but not down here. Other guy, I see your message from before with the 0-2 and all that green, but what do you mean by it? Like they need to be, green needs to be that score? It's a set. No, what is it? Scoreboard. Players. So you can do players, not teams. We just like set that team to be that score. Here, let's do a scoreboard, objectives, set display, sidebar, loot scores. Okay, and then scoreboard players, set tech stack, loot scores, 1. And then Zach. So I'll be green. I go green. Zach's on yellow, so he would be a 5. And there's the other guy's name, so I can put him on it. Scoreboard, players, set, loot scores. Let's put him on blue. Hopefully he comes back soon. I need to let the dog out, and I gotta get off here anyway. In fact, I think I'm going to end. So is the use of the loot. I think you kill the guy, and it somehow gives you loot. But the command blocks aren't even enabled, so I don't even know how that's going to work. We had to summon the minions with the right team. TS, RTS, minion. Aha, I know the commands to do it now. Let's do archer minions on my team. You might want to here. Zach, you might want to go ahead and spectate for a minute. That's why I said go and spectator. Oh no, and you're in the air again. What the heck? The spawn point in this map is messed up. I give tech stack, TSRTS, sample items, what's it called? And we want another one, it's the retreat one. Retreat scepter, there we go. There we go. Now we're getting some guys on a different cadence there. Give me Minecraft beef. It's cooked beef, isn't it? Set the 4. Oh yeah, let's give me a diamond sword too. Luckily, my guys are hitting him enough that it's keeping him confused what he needs to hit. Come on, die already. Well, you didn't drop a thing. Let's see. Okay, guys. Well, that's gonna have to be it for me tonight. I'll catch you all tomorrow. Have a good night, everyone.